Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereyda and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super easy updo. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by taking a small section of hair and putting it into a ponytail. I want to make sure that it's a little bit loose because I'm going to make a gap in the hair and then pull it up and through to create a topsy tail. Now I'm going to fluff it up a little bit, but honestly this part can get skipped because you're not even going to be able to see it at the end of the hairstyle. Now I'm going to split the rest of the hair into two sections and make two ponytails. You're going to take one ponytail and you're going to cross it into the opposite side of the twisted section. And then you're going to take the opposite ponytail and twist it into the opposite side again. I hope that makes sense. You're going to continue taking the ends of your hair, crossing it over and into the opposite side of the topsy tail. If your hair is long, you're going to have to do this more times. If your hair is short, you'll do it less times. Once you reach your ends, you're just going to tie them off and then you're going to tuck them underneath into the bun. You can add a bobby pin for extra security, and this is the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up as that really helps out my channel. I will also be leaving all of my favorite products linked below, as well as my Amazon storefront, so make sure to go and check that out. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and also turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. And until next time,